Google Slides allows you to reuse slide decks as custom themes for later presentations. In your Google Drive, click the red New button. Next, select Google Slides. The first window that opens will ask you to select a theme. To use a custom theme, click the Import Theme button. A window will open containing all of your presentations as well as those shared with you. Click a presentation to select. Next, click the blue Select button. The slides from that presentation that have different themes will open from which you can choose. If the presentation has just one theme, then only one slide will be visible. Click the slide you wish to use as your theme. Once you have selected a slide, click the blue Import button. Only the theme will be imported and none of the content from that slide. Images will also not import unless they were added to the previous presentation by editing the master slide. To do this, click the Slide menu and select Edit Master. You can use the toolbar to insert images, edit images, change colors, and more. Those additions will now become part of the presentation theme and will be instantly added with each additional slide. When you are done editing the master slide, you can click the X in the top right corner. Congratulations! You now know how to use custom themes in Google Slides.